Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Friday, April the 29th, a bit of a slow week because it was Easter Monday just a few days ago, and at the same time, you got the royal wedding on in the UK. Not that we care about royal weddings, but that shut down UK markets as well. So a bit of a slow news sector. I've got two press releases for you. Let's start off with U.S. Silver Corporation, trades on the venture under USA. For our friends in the U.S., USSIF, and for our friends in Germany, QE2. Got to love that stock symbol. They put out their year-end 2010 results, including a 270% increase in operating cash flow. Here are the highlights. Revenue, $62.4 million, up 35%. Net income, $4.9 million, up 145%. You can imagine a lot of that has to do with the fact that you're producing silver, and silver is up dramatically over the last 12 months. Cash and restricted cash on hand, $8.6 million. I'll talk about that in a second. Silver production, 2.275 million ounces. Big number, but that was down 6%. They clearly had some problems with lower head grades, rehabilitation work, and efforts to ensure full compliance with regulatory requirements. Looks like at the processing facility. They've got, so I said they got $8.6 million in cash on hand. $6.9 million of that, though, came from a bought deal private placement. So they definitely had to shore up the bank account. Otherwise, it would have been closer to about $1.7 million in the bank. Nonetheless, cash flow positive, good operating cash flow, good numbers. You can't help but do great. And if you believe in silver where it's going, then next year's got to be even better for U.S. Silver, assuming they can keep their production online. Closed yesterday 70 cents. 83 on the 52-week high, 60.5 on the low. So congratulations to Tom Parker and his team over there. Going over to China Pharmaceuticals, CFMI, because not all that glitters is gold, is a manufacturer and distributor of prescription over-the-counter pharmaceuticals in China, as you can imagine. Some highlights here of their fiscal 2010. Sales up 28% to $34.2 million. Net income, 8.4. That too, 8.4 million. That too was down about 5%. So it's a day for net income down across the board. The company is saying much of that has to do with the one-time stock-based compensation expense of 2.2 million. That doesn't necessarily make up the whole shortfall of about the entire shortfall. Actually, it does, because if they didn't have that, they would have been higher by 1.5 million. So my apologies. Net working capital increased to $20.5 million. That's up 82%. So you got to like these numbers. Company currently manufactures 85 pharmaceutical products. Closed yesterday 425, 6 on the high, 210 on the 52-week low. So they're actually hanging in pretty good, given what's been going on in the Chinese reverse merger space. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you look for more great small cap press releases and you're watching this on Globe Investors, then I'd look below me or to the left of me to find the companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get yourself to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the headlines up to the right of me, and get into the directory to discover your next great small cap investment. That's a wrap. Have an amazing Friday. Have an amazing weekend. See you on Monday.